Often, infertile patients are completely confused. They don't know whether what the doctor is telling them is right or wrong. They get so much conflicting information from so many different sources. For example, you go to 5 different websites, they'll tell you 10 different things. You visit 5 of your friends, they'll tell you so many horror stories or myths and misconceptions and old wives' tales. You really don't know whom to trust and whom not to trust. And part of the problem, of course, is that you're emotionally very vulnerable. You're scared. You don't know whether you'll actually ever have a baby or not. You know there are treatment options, but you don't know who the right doctor is or whom you should go to or which option is right for you. And it all seems extremely complex and difficult, and you don't know what step to take and in which direction. And I do agree it can be quite daunting, especially if you don't understand anything about IVF. But you know what? Once you do start understanding about IVF, this will be much less scary for you. It will be much easier for you to go to your journey. And the good news is, you don't have to be an IVF doctor to become an IVF expert. As a patient, you can learn a lot about your problem, and you should learn a lot about your problem, because the more you know, the easier it is for your IVF doctor to help you. And the easier it will be for you to shield yourself from all the rubbish information and all the myths and misconceptions that hundreds of people will bombard you with, none of which make any sense at all. But the only way to protect yourself is by investing in information therapy. And the good news is, a lot of this information is available online. And if you come to www.drmalpani.com, which is our IVF clinic website, this information is all free. It's updated. I published it. I stand behind it. I can assure you it's accurate, it's updated. And even better, I can provide you a personalized free second opinion on your specific problem, no matter what it may be, no matter how many cycles you've already failed. So please feel free to reach out to me. I'm Dr. Aniruddha Malpani. I'm an IVF specialist. I've been practicing for over 30 years along with my wife, Dr. Anjali. And we offer this free second opinion to help infertile patients make sure that they're getting the best possible medical care so they can maximize their chances of having a baby. And we look forward to helping you to have a baby too.